Just too happy to take you all with me to another hidden food gem which is a must go in my bucket list. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Sugar Bandi. After a very long time, I'm so happy to post this full food vlog today. And this place will make you experience a mini Afghanistan in South Delhi. I'm here at Lajpat Nagar 2 for my lunch. And it's a bright sunny day with the usual traffic and crowd. Afghans are famous for their profound hospitality and generosity. They treat their guests with utmost respect and consider them as a blessing, serving them the best possible food available. We have come to Mazar, finally serving the best Afghani cuisine in Delhi. Afghanistan famous for their traditional crafts, intricate hand-woven carpets and pottery, and hence you can see it in the decor here. Ditching the couches, the chairs and the tables, I finally took a seat at the majlis. In the Afghan culture, meals are generally communal and served on large platters with large cushions around a low table, hence the majlis, meaning a small space or a room for eating. Afghans come from various ethnic groups like the Pashtuns, the Tajiks, Hazaras and the Uzbeks, and hence brought the rich culture and food to India. It was peak lunch hours, and as I was enjoying the aura and the ambience, it was time for me to think about what all I'm going to have and what all I'm going to enjoy. Finally deciding on the menu, chalo aapko dikhati hu what all I ordered. Starting with chicken shawarma roll, and oh my god, iske kya kehne. This was so perfect and so tasty. It was better than most of the top-notch shawarma joints that I've had in Delhi. इसके अलावा मैंने एक फ्रेश पाइनएप्पल जूस भी ऑर्डर किया था इसके साथ. Then came काबुली उज़्बेकी पुलाव, जो कि इनकी स्पेशलिटी है, which is a pulao made with Afghani raisins and meat. Then came the राजमा करी. ये मोस्टली आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री वो दे ही देते हैं साथ में, just to taste. Also, I took Afghani naan or the roti that you can see breads में. And जो dips and chutney आपको दिया जाएगा shawarma के साथ, उसको please ज़रूर taste करिएगा. Those are so fresh and so yummy. इसके अलावा मैंने मटन टिक्का भी लिया था. And there was one more dish which was burani banjan, which is eggplant. देसी लैंग्वेज में कहें तो बैगन का भरता, but made in an Afghani way. इनके जूसेस ज़रूर ट्राई करेगा. सारे जूसेस बिल्कुल फ्रेश बनाए जाते हैं. दे आर रियली अमेजिंग एंड रिफ्रेशिंग. अब बारी आती है सब कुछ टेस्ट करने की. सबसे पहले शारमा. दिस ब्लू माई माइंड एंड आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू ऑर्डर दिस अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन, जितनी बार भी मैं मज़ार जाऊँगी. इसको मैं इतने पॉइंट्स नहीं दूंगी. दिस वॉज लिटिल ब्लैंड फॉर मी. मैं प्रेफर करूँगी आप मटन सीख कबाब या चौपन कबाब लीजिए, वो बहुत बेटर होता है इनका. Then came the yummy Uzbeki pulao. This is all time favorite. ये थोड़ा सा mild उसमें होता है. इसमें गरम मसाले का इतना फ्लेवर नहीं आएगा, but it's pure meat and it's so flavorful. उसी का fat या आप कह सकते हैं, and the nuts and little bit sweetness of carrot and amazing meat quality. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Last the star dish which was Dubai kunafa. इसको नहीं छोड़ सकते थे because I was actually craving for a kunafa from a very long time. I normally go for शीरियाक, जो कि एक अफ़गानी डेज़र्ट होता है which is made from milk and crumbs of almond, but this time I chose kunafa and I don't regret it. It was damn good. इसके बाद आप ग्रिल चिकन भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. इनका रोस्टेड ग्रिल चिकन इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. आप देख सकते हैं जैसे मैं निकल रही थी, देयर वर मोर एंड मोर पीपल कमिंग. लाइन लगना शुरू हो गई थी. यहाँ तक देख लिया है, देन थैंक यू सो मच पीपल फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर आप सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें मेरे चैनल को, एंड डू मोटिवेट मी, लीव अ स्वीट कॉमेंट. जिससे नहीं किया है प्लीज़ अभी जाके सब्सक्राइब करो. There's a lot of effort that goes in making these videos, so please guys do motivate me, and thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel Sugar Bandi. You can also follow me on my Insta handle Sugar Bandi. Thank you, and keep following, keep subscribing, keep liking my videos for more such content. Bye bye, take care.